Hi everyone, I'm Lois from Fitness Knocking. Wanted to share with you a quick tutorial on how to set up an account with our software Mindbody. So I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to walk you through the steps. So first, you want to make sure that when you click on the link that it does say Fitness Knocking in the upper left-hand corner. If you don't see our logo, give me a call and I'm happy to help you. And just like this, if you have trouble with this tutorial, don't worry about it. Just give me a call. You have my number in the bottom of my email signature, or you can just call 862-251-8989 and I'm happy to walk through this. So first thing you want to do is create an account. So you click on create an account, and what it'll do is on the right-hand side of the screen, you'll put in your email address. So you type your email address in there and then you click next. Then what you want to do is put in your home information. So I'm going to type in test and dough and 123 way and anywhere in New Jersey. And the zip code is 12345. And you do want to put in your proper information, of course. So then you'll create a password. Now the password must contain a whole bunch of different things. It has to be 8 characters, at least one number, one special character, an uppercase and a lowercase. And the reason why we do this is just to make sure that your information is going to be safe. So I'm going to type in a username, make sure I spell it right. And it'll tell you if you do something wrong and if it matches, of course. Okay, so my passwords match there. And then you want to put your phone number in, and I'll put my office number in here just in case you wanted to jot it down, which is again, that number in there. You can click what mobile provider you have. If you don't want to, you don't have to, there's no worry about that. But it does help us if there's any particular reminder that you need specifically. Then what you want to do here is if you want our account manager to email you or text you, so you want to make sure you turn these reminders on. If you don't want to have newsletters and promos, that's fine. You can turn that one off. But you do want to make sure that whatever email address you provide us is one that you check once in a while. So after you do that, you want to read our liability waiver and then click that you agree with the terms, and then you want to create the account. Now, if you have other family members that work with us also, you can add your family members over to the right, but that's not required here. So click create an account. And then once you do that, if you would like to have us automatically bill you and put your billing information in here. And if you, again, if you prefer not to have us keep their information on file and you just want us to bill you once, let us know. And then you can call us with this information and then we can uncheck the box to save your information. It is encrypted once it's in here, so you don't have to worry about that. So you put your name on your card, your billing address, your postal code, your credit card number and your expiration number, and then you click save. And then if you would like to purchase our class packs, that is under the class tabs up here. So once you have your billing information and you can click on the class tab and you can sign up for one class, and that you would do that here. If you want to sign up for multiple classes, you need to go to the online store. So the online store is all the way over to the right. So I'll click on the online store. And then you'll think about different packages. So if you're signing up for classes, you'll click on monthly packages, and then unlimited small group classes is what you want to have on the drop-down menu. And if you're looking for personal training, you can look at those other options as well. Those are our monthly packages. We do have block packages available, but you have to call us to get information about those. So if you want to do classes, click on the unlimited option. And now we are currently running a promotion. So you can see that price is right there. You want to read over the contract and you want to click in when you want to start. So if today is Friday and you want to start next Tuesday, click next Tuesday from the calendar here, then read again our liability waiver, click agree, and then click make a purchase. Now, if you don't have a credit card on file, it will prompt you to do that once you get through this page. So if you want to click on the checkout menu, you want to just double check that you paid for the right thing, click on checkout, put your billing information in here. If you do have any kind of gift card number, you can apply that there. And then do note our purchase policy and terms and conditions and our refund policy as well. And then you'll click place order and you're good to go. I hope that was helpful and I hope it was valuable for you. If you have any questions, please, again, don't worry about giving me a call. I'm happy to help you. I'm not the most tech savvy person. So if you're not, don't worry about this. But anyway, I hope this was helpful. Have a great rest of your day.